6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, top. Allumage P80, décollage. La propulsion est nominale. Acquisition de télémesure par la station de Saint-Jean.
And they are off. The Muhammed 6B satellite is on its way. It's started its journey. Vega, flight number 13, blazing a trail across the equatorial skies over the Guyana Space Center. He's telling us that everything on board is going according to plan. Right now, Vega is pushing itself away from the pull of our Earth. Gravity makes us stick to our planet, but it also makes it hard to leave. And we need an awful lot of firepower to do that.
La propulsion est nominale.
Getting deeper and deeper into space. We're burning the engine on the P80, the first stage.
Séparation P80.
And we saw it burn out there and separate. We actually saw that with our own eyes. And we had that confirmed by the range operations manager, who has also confirmed that we've now switched on the next engine, the Z23. Z for Zafiro, an Italian wind, type of wind, rather like the Sirocco or the Mistral. 23, because it burns 23 tons of propellant. Our altitude on the bottom left, he's telling us everything's going normally. Altitude, we are 83 kilometers above the Earth. Can you see it there? And our speed on the bottom right is 3 kilometers per second. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, that's fast, and we will be going faster. Our trajectory on the top right-hand side is the planned trajectory. The curve is a simulated curve, and the cross is the actual position of the launch vehicle. We've gone above the 100-kilometer mark above our planet. That means we're now entering space. That's the border with space. And if you look at our image on the right-hand side of the screen, you can see that nose of the vehicle that we were talking about earlier. That is the fairing, we call it, protecting the satellite from the rigors of the launch. This is the scheduled moment, and indeed confirmation that the Z23 stage has now burnt out and had been jettisoned.
Allumage Z9.
And we've switched on the Z9.
Largage de la coiffe.
And we have jettisoned the fairing. We don't need it anymore. We are in space. There's